Hey, boys and girls, it's Miss Ward. I was going to do a quick experiment with magnets since I just read you the book Magnet Power. On Epic, there is a book that you can read with your mom and dad called Experiment with Magnets or your big brother or sister. And in this book, there are many different experiments that you can do. All right. This one in particular is one that I'm going to do with you right now. Okay? All right. So I just need a magnet. You just need a magnet. Okay? And any kind of household items that you can find. Like I have a crayon, I have a paper clip, I have a puzzle, a piece of a puzzle, and I have an eraser and a pen. Okay? Now, you may not have a magnet like Ms. Ward does because I know that we've used this magnet before in class. This is what I call my magic wand. But you probably have some magnets laying around the house, maybe on your refrigerator. Okay, so these are two that I had on my refrigerator from where my family and I visited a couple places. This one's from Dollywood, and then this one's when we went to Kentucky. And so, as you notice, there are magnets, or excuse me, there is a magnet on the back. Okay, so I'm going to also get a piece of paper, or I have a board. But you could just use paper or a board or anything you have at home. And I wrote in one column, does attract, and in the other, does not attract. Okay? If you remember from the book I read, attract means that they come together. Okay? So I'm going to test out my magnet with all my household items to see if they will attract to my magnet or not attract to my magnet. So let's see. Let's find out. So first, I'm going to start with this big eraser. Yours might not be as big as mine, and that's quite okay. You might have a little eraser like your pencil eraser or pencil you could use. So do you think that this eraser will attract or will not attract? And from the book I read, the word is repel. That means it will not go together. What do you think? Attract? Not attract. Let's see. Ready? Oh, it did not attract. So in this column, I'm going to write that my eraser does not attract. See that? It does not attract. Okay. What about my paper clip? Do you think that my paper clip will attract or not attract? What do you think? Let's see. Ready? It attracted to the magnet. The reason is because paper clip is a type of metal. So metals attract to the magnets, just like the book that I read to you, boys and girls. So under does attract, I'm going to write paper clip. Okay. Now I'm going to do one more and then you can do it at home. All right. What about my puzzle piece? Does it attract or not attract? Let's see. It does not attract. Okay. And I'm going to keep doing this with different things that I can find at home. So try this out yourself, all right? And if you don't have a magnet, it's okay. I hope that you learned something today about magnets. I miss you all so much, and I'm so glad to be able to talk to you, even if it's not in person, but soon I'll be able to give you a big hug.